Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Pisces. Let's see what are the messages for Pisces. So we have the Seven of Cups, the Hierophant, the Seven of Wands. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Two of Swords, the Lovers, the Chariot, okay, and the Strength. Three major cards out here, okay. So Pisces, there is a confusion and that is why you are struggling also. It is revolving around some sort of stability or something traditional, something which is according to the norms or following the rules, something like that, as to how it is supposed to be, how it should be. Okay, this is how things are supposed to be. Is regarding, or it can be regarding conforming to the laws, it can be regarding something spiritual, it can be something which is according to traditions. Okay, this is the rule, this is how it's supposed to be done. There is some sort of a confusion regarding that in your life, and you are struggling with that. You are struggling with that for some reason. Okay, there is something, this is the struggle. Okay, this is the resistance. There is, either you are finding it tough to conform to the laws, conform to the ways and the means, or to conform to the traditions, the way things are set in the society, sort of. Okay, maybe there is some sort of a confusion there, or maybe you're finding it tough to abide by the laws as to how things are supposed to be, abide by the traditions. It's something like that, and that is what the confusion is about, and maybe that is what the struggle or resistance is about. Maybe you are resisting that thing, maybe you are resisting going to that path, or you are not able to follow that path for some reason. The traditions, the rules, the regulations, the laws, whatever has been let down by the society, the things, it's, you're finding it tough to abide by them. So whatever the confusion and the struggle is revolving around that scenario, basically. Then we have the Eight of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Two of Swords. Again, you are a little bit retreated, trying to make up your mind, doing that logical thinking, being a little bit cold, and though, so you are working hard on it. It's basically, the thing is, though you are working hard on it, but still you are finding it tough. You are finding it tough to do it. Okay, that is what it is. So the entire struggle and the hard work, you are working hard to be able to abide by the traditional values, by the traditions, by the set norms, to conform to the society rules or something like that. Okay, you are trying hard to do it. You are trying to think logically. You are trying to do your that inner work, whatever it is, but you are really finding it tough to do it, basically. Then we have the Lovers, the Chariot, and the Strength. So somehow what I feel is, this is a very beautiful energy. You will be able to get back to that balance. That's what I feel. Though it is taking a lot of strength on your part, it is, you will be able to tame the beast. You will be able to come out of this energy. You will be able to make things fall in line, fall in track. You will be able to see, it is all between, the situation is that you are not able to do it, but you're trying to do it, so you're working hard on it. So finally you will be able to balance the situation. You will be able to come to terms with what it is, whatever this Hierophant is for you, whatever these rules and traditions are for you in your life, in your scenario, whatever it is, whatever you need to conform or whatever you need to do, you will finally fall in line. And once you are able to do that by choice, once you are able to achieve that balance, then you will be able to make a move, a rapid move forward will be there. You will be able to take action in life. So basically what I feel here is, initially you need to calm down, you need to balance yourself, you need to conform and accept the fact that this is how it is supposed to be, and this is right for you also. And once you are able to achieve that balance and that peace of mind, you will be divinely blessed, and you will be in the position to take charge and move ahead in life. That is what it is. So that is what you need to understand first. Guidance from the angels. Jack of diamonds. You're too focused on something. Maybe you're too focused on your goals, you're too focused on your ambitions, you're too focused on something. Perhaps you're not able to see anything else, or it can be it's good that you are focused. Maybe you're focused on this aspect itself. Messenger of abundance. Wonderful news regarding your career. A new job, a promotion, or acceptance into an excellent school comes into your life. You might feel ready to do something that is challenging and fulfilling. This situation may involve someone who's fun to be around and sometimes mischievous. This person, who may be you, is youthful, optimistic, and very clever. So, Pisces, what I feel is it's getting tough for you to follow something which maybe you don't believe in it initially, or it's like maybe you don't want to accept it, it's resistance. Maybe it can be a new boss or something like that. It's fine, you're finding it tough to accept that person or those rules or those regulations or what you're supposed to do, what the society wants you to do, whatever it can be in any area of your life. You are trying hard, you are trying to think logically, you are trying to find the ways and means to conform to it, but it's not an easy task for you. But finally, what I feel is once you are able to achieve it, you will feel at peace. And once you're able to achieve that balance and peace, you will be in a powerful position to move forward and act. Okay, and you will be able to restore that balance between your mind and the soul. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And yes, you need to accept this. It's coming off as a very peaceful message. Once you are able to do it, you will be at peace and you will feel good about it. So Pisces, thank you. Bye. Hope, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.